CES 2016 in full swing. We are here at Alpine. Steve's going to tell us the upgrades that the Restyle systems from Alpine have gotten, even some rewards from CES this year.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, one of the things we realized is that to make these systems truly truck and SUV specific, we had to really change the design and go beyond what the norm for the industry was and try to make a system that was kind of easier to install and easier to operate in a truck or an SUV. One of the things that we did on that front is the user interface. Trucks are big. Usually people lift them. Jeeps are the same way, and they're bouncy. When you're driving down the road, you know, you've got a lot of distractions. We wanted to make the system as easy to use as possible while you're in one of these vehicles. So we did several things. First of all, we made a very innovative new swipe interface, which we'll demonstrate a little bit later. What this allows you to do is control the system with the touch of your finger, swiping left to right or up or down for your key features. The other thing that we did, and we've done for the past years as well, is large hard keys. These hard keys allow you to control the system very easily while you're driving. Now, this year, we've also decided to add some external control as well. Truck and SUV drivers always like to add electrical accessories to their vehicles, whether it be LED lights or towing airbags or inflation systems, or, you know, there's all kinds of things like bed covers, winches. All those things are electrical. That means they need a switch to be able to control when they're on or off. Right. What we've done with this system is actually make that control system directly through the radio. So now I can control external accessories right from the touchscreen of the radio. So it's a very innovative feature. In addition to that, we've even looked at the hardware platform. In years past, we've used a standard doubled-in chassis with a larger screen to get the Restyle look, the 8 or the 9-inch look. But what we've realized is with a lot of newer vehicles, especially the GM platform, they don't use a standard doubled-in radio opening anymore. So what they do is they have separate modular units that control the entire system. So what we've done is we've separated the radio chassis from the DVD player and the screen. So this allows us to have several different configurations of this system depending on the vehicle that we install it in. So in the case of the GM, we use a separate 10-inch screen with a separate radio chassis and a separate DVD player. In the case of the Jeep, which is a more standard type of installation, we actually stack those two products together. And in the case of a standard 7 or 8-inch installation, we keep the radio chassis separate and the DVD player mounts in a remote location. So by using 3 different architectures, we can fit multiple different vehicles.
Very cool.
And this was actually awarded, this system was awarded a 2016 CES Innovations Award for our X110 platform GM system. So we're very proud of that.
And all of this, the Alpine Restyle that has been upgraded, they all have just that complete package in the box with whatever system you've paired up to your vehicle?
Yeah, that's right. And then what we've also allowed you to do is kind of customize the system to your needs. So for example, if you don't want the accessory control, you can buy the system without it, but it offers you the option to be able to upgrade that through separate modules that allow expanded capabilities.
So what if I get it without that accessory module, and in the future one day I have a winch I need to control?
Sure, absolutely.
You know, can I just add that piece into it?
Plug and play. Yeah, it's absolutely no problem.
All right, very cool. And this is all going to be integrated in all these new 2016 models?
Yep, the ones that you're about to see.
All right.
Let's check them out.
Yeah, check out the videos that we're going to post just after this interview here, and we're going to have all these new interfaces that you're going to see how it all works out. And also check out blog.app.com. We're going to have a lot of content there as well.